Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. I am so happy you're here. I'm Lisa. Today I am doing a quick flip through of a farmer's market, not veggie, fruit journal that I made just for fun. Well, actually, to be honest with you guys, I made it for a swap and I decided I liked it so much I'm not going to swap it. So here it is. I hope you enjoy. I used fabric to remind me of a picnic on the outside, you know, country. I pictured this on the stand of a farmer's market. Sorry, there is so much crap, but my desk is just covered up. Okay, so it reminds me of a tabletop that you might see at a farmer's market. It's closed with seam binding, which is just punched through and tied. It's very plain, and it has this little glass of lemon or fresh orange juice, this pin on the bottom. When you open it up, just unties, and I sewed around all over it. It's really a cute journal. The first page, I'm a big lemon freak, and the first page is all lemons, and then this is just a tag that reminded me of lemons, and then some from the kit, and I actually don't remember who the kit's from. I want to say it's Juicy Juice from Ellsiebelsbookshelf. If it is, I will link it down below. If not, I will put the name of the shop it's from and link it down below. This is some more paper I had, reminded me of a ribbon. I put it on a guest check and made it into a pocket, and then it's got a glassine bag behind it just for extra storage of recipes. Got some of my vintage green stamps here. For this page, I stamped a grape on there. Some strawberries. If you look at this kit, it's very, very beautiful, very colorful. Then this is part of the kit, and again, part of the journaling kit. Peaches, and then a tag, and then I made some recipe cards using just some of the fruit jars that were also available in the kit. Oh, and I love this. It says Top Dog, and it has a little poodle, and if you follow me on Instagram, you see my little sand poodle. And then this is some washi tape with different fruits on it that I had. Watermelon. Then here is another part of the kit, just a decoration. And I did some ribbon because this ribbon reminded me of limes. This is a vintage cookbook, and it had some fruit salad recipes and vegetable salad. And then just some more washi tape to match the cover. Look how blue the blueberries are. Isn't that pretty? Okay, here is a tuck spot, and again, just more from the kit. This kit has every fruit imaginable. There's some lemons. There's a jar. A spoon with a vintage recipe. Some more of that washi tape. This was from the kit. The umbrella, I love that. And I just put some more. These are labels that were from the kit, and then I just put some double-sided tape on the back so you could actually really use them for labels. And you could label tabs, you could label jars, whatever you wanted to. Bunch of recipe cards just because I like to cook, and I like to cook using fruits. And this is also a space to write as well as a tuck spot. I might have used 2 kits in this. Like I said, I'll have to check. This is strawberries. It's an upside down pocket. It's an envelope, actually, see? But it could be a tuck spot too, and it's got some buttons on it to flip out, and I stenciled some more grapes. This kit is really fun, and like I said, I made this for a swap. Ended up not wanting to swap it. I love this button. So, yeah, it's mine now. And we're going to do summertime recipes in it, because it'll be fun. I love lemons. As you can tell, there are a lot of lemons throughout this journal. And a lot of stenciling of grapes. And there we go. So I hope you like this journal. I have some great videos coming up for Friday, which is tomorrow already. So be sure and come back for that. Have a great rest of your evening. Take care. Bye, guys.